Hello friends, welcome to my 6th HTML tutorial. In this video we will learn about these tags. Okay, let's start it. First come to this tag. Okay, this tag is used for deleted any text from HTML document. For an example, suppose I want to write I love you baby. Okay, then save as the file and the file name is wavy.html. Then save that file and open and look that text in our web page. Suppose I want to delete baby text, so I can use del tag. So there must be an starting del tag and ending del tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh it. Look, baby text is deleted. Then comes to this tag. This tag means if you want to insert any text to HTML document, then we can use this tag. Okay, for an example, I want to insert dhanna after baby. Okay, so I can use this tag and there must be an end tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh in browser. Look, dhanna was added in that sentence. Okay, comes to this tag. This tag means if you want to mark or highlight any text, so you can use this tag. Okay, suppose I want to highlight love, then I can use this tag. So there must be an starting tag and there must be an ending tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Look, love is marked or highlight. Then comes to this tag. This tag means if you want to underline any text, then we can use this tag. Okay, for understanding, let's have another example. Suppose I want to write please give up your bad habit. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Look, there is another sentence. Okay, suppose I want to underline this give off, so I can use this tag. Okay, and there must be an ending tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Look, give off is underlined. Then comes to this tag. This tag is used to draw a horizontal line over the text. Okay, suppose I want to draw a horizontal line over the habit, so I can use this tag. So there must be an starting tag and ending tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Look, there is a strike on habit. Comes to this tag. This tag identifies text to display one size smaller than the surrounding text. Okay, for better understand, let's take another sentence. Okay, and this sentence is I am a bad boy. If I can use this tag, then what happened? Let's see. And there must be an starting tag and ending tag. Okay. Then save the file and refresh. Look, arm is smaller than the surrounding text. Okay. Then come to this tag. This tag is used to make the text one size bigger than the surrounding text. Okay, suppose I can use this tag, and there must be an starting tag and ending tag. Okay, then save the file and refresh here. Look, bad is bigger than surrounding text. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, see you guys in next video.